So OpenAI just released this new program called ChatGPT. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be giving this ChatGPT a very hard Leetcode question to solve. So I'm going to be going to Leetcode and I'm going to be picking a problem that has a difficulty level of hard, and I'm going to give it to this ChatGPT and see if it can solve it. So let's try that out. So what I'm just going to do now, I'm going to come into my Leetcode right here. So this is a Leetcode problem and it's named median of two sorted arrays. So if you use Leetcode very well, you probably know this problem. And as you can see, it has a difficulty level of hard. So it is not an easy problem to solve. So what I'm just going to do is to copy all of this right here. And I'm actually going to paste that in here and let's see what it does with this information. But I want you to write it in Python. So I'm just going to come here and say, given two sorted arrays, blah, blah, blah. And then I want to tell you to write the code in Python. Return the media, blah, blah, blah. And we can say using Python code. Now let's run this and see if it's going to do that for us in Python. So as you can see, it returns this response to us like it's actually chatting to us, like it's typing. So it says here is an example of how we can do this in Python. I'm just going to give it a moment to finish all of this. As I said, it's a Leetcode problem with a difficulty level of hard. So good, it has written everything right here. It's just testing it by itself. What I'm just going to do is to copy all the code that it wrote and all the way to the beginning of the function. And I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to paste that in here. I'm going to paste it and let me see if... So I want to make sure that everything is indented correctly. I'm going to run this. As you can see, it says accepted. This is actually really good. So just using the two cases, it accepted everything. So it successfully solved that by just giving it instructions. This is actually great. If I hit submit, you're going to see that that will be accepted. So as you can see, that was accepted. I've actually solved this myself a while back, but I just decided to try it again using GPT-3, using ChatGPT. So this is actually, quite good. And as you can see, it successfully solved that problem.